guys, Scott here from Outlaw Garage. Today we're out at Ballarat. We are at the Distinguished Gentleman's Drive. Been a bit of a disaster this morning because we haven't found a coffee, so let's go sort that out. So we heard this mini whine as it came in, and it's because it's actually got straight cut gears. So it gets that whine as you come straight off the accelerator. Great colour. This came with us today. It's a Renault Sport. It's a Formula 1 model, so we don't see these around very often. It's got a bit of damage on the front because it is used as a daily driver, but they're out with us today. Gordon's here in his Targa, John in his Merc, Joseph in the 356, Jim and his E-Type. Apparently it wasn't that comfy. Look at that thing sat there. Very nice. It's a lovely material as well on this. Look at that. R356 is here, running particularly well, as we said. There's a collection of MGs, so the MG guys must have organised something. Let's see if we can jump over here. TR6, we don't see many of those. Alpha, hey. And a Myers Manx original as well. That has got to be an absolute freezing day out in that. The lovely smell of fuel.
And
wow, that has got to be a really, really cold day. So we thought it was an oil leak, but it's actually fuel, because it doesn't quite tell you when it's quite full, and then sometimes it overflows a little bit. But that is quite a leak this morning. So there's about 60 cars registered for today. We are here in the 356. It's actually been running really well. We do need to just check the spark plug and push it back on properly before we head off. We've got about an hour and a half's drive. We're about an hour and a half, 2 hours out of Melbourne, but it's a bit fresh, but I think it'll be a nice day. Another MG here as a Porsche rolls in. Roof down, freezing, with the Distinguished Gentleman's Drive, number 65 today. Well, that's a lookout, isn't it? We are out at the lookout. There's a great big lookout tower there. All the cars are sat over here. Everybody seems to have done all right. Gordon in the silver 911 Targ did run out of petrol, and the petrol station didn't have a jerry can, so he kept running backwards and forwards with little cups of fuel just to get him 200 yards to the petrol station, but nobody has had any problems. Gotta have a photo outside an old petrol station. We are here taking some photos. We did just take some around the corner there because there's an old petrol station there. I think this used to be an old museum. There's Joseph pulling off. And it looks like they used to fix old Morgans here as well. That's Joseph. So yeah, an old motor museum. There it is. And we're going to get Jim's Jag in front of here and see if we can do a mock petrol station photo. Hey, we're setting up the Jag. Suzette, are you directing?
no, well then you can just get a different shot.
Hang on, he might hit the side.
Actually, what would be really good if you were here. That is in the way.
Yeah, but I'll Photoshop that out.
I thought you were
Perfect?
I feel much better.
Alright. We're going to Photoshop that parallel sign out. We've got some photos there. I think we might be able to bang, and they're on the screen. If they were any good. Going to close it up now and then get Jim in the photo again. This might end up being the cover photo shot. So there is our thumbnail shot of the day. The Jag looks brilliant. We've got an old Harley here as well, so that's nice. Might get the two red together. Right, we're on a dirt road with a 356. We have bottomed out just once or twice, but we've been looking for an old windmill for a bit of an Aussie look. The field's all over there in the yellow. Look at that. The old windmill. The car is running a little bit warm because we've been kind of bottoming out and all kinds of stuff, but now we'll get the camera out, take some shots and get the drone. So there we go, hope you enjoyed the video. That is the first time we've had the new DJI drone out. Kind of makes you feel a little bit queasy with the goggles on as it's bombing down, but hope the footage came out okay. Hope you enjoyed the drive. Please give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you next time. See you later guys, bye.